I am Porchia Marie. I am the CEO and founder of The P.M firm, which is a boutique entertainment marketing company, and Dope People Meet, a platform where creatives meet. I'm also the community marketing manager at Foot Locker here in Atlanta, and we are going to learn the tricks and trades of marketing, okay guys? There are like 5 questions that I feel like you should be able to answer, right? One is, what is your brand? What do you represent? Who do you represent? What have you accomplished thus far? And the last question will be, what do you bring to the table? There's no rules to how you create. And I wish a lot of creators will understand that you don't have to follow behind Kylie Jenner, Porchia Marie. You can do whatever you want to do. Get very creative with your own perspective, your own viewpoint, your own way of thinking, right? How do you want people to feel when they come to your page or come in contact with your brand? How do you want them to feel?